It's Mr. Les here, Les Daily, with an update. We're at day 19, day 20 time frame, and we're sitting at the September the 8th, with the mentorship program. Push, been only a couple weeks, no more than a few days with the affiliate link, okay? Pretty excited. Been staying busy, coming up with content ideas, researching. I do a lot of researching. But I wanted to mention something to you. It's a pretty special day. I can say that for sure. The main reason is, check this out. Oh my, oh my. This is my very first commission, thanks to Mr. Eric. Look at this. We're rocking now, huh? And this happened just last night. Actually, it started coming in. And that's the September group here. I'm actually
Now you have to
stuttering
ask
a little
yourself,
bit. I'm shaking a little bit. Little tongue
why
twisted
haven't you
thing
joined up?
going on here. But man, look at this number right there. See that? The first time in my life ever made a
Yep.
dime on the internet. And it
Mentorship
wasn't
program
a dime, wasn't a
working,
dollar.
working
It
strong.
was $773
Come join us.
and 83 cents. Thank you, Eric. Thank you,
After
brother,
all,
for very, very,
who
very
doesn't like financial
great
freedom?
work by educating a guy like me. The affiliate program, mentorship that you've established, the $100 million mentorship program, this is what it does right here. See that? That's what it does. That's one.
Yes, thank you.
That is one. Many more to come. Can't thank you enough, Eric. Doggone it. Owe you a cup of coffee.